In this video, I've got an update for you on my Amazon affiliate website, bestroofbox.com. If you've not been following my progress with the site, be sure to check out the playlist. I'll put a card up now. You'll also find a link in the description. In the playlist, you'll find every single video that I've done around bestroofbox.com, including the very first one, which is a feature-length video where I take you through exactly how I created the site. But anyway, in this video, I am of course going to be sharing with you the latest income, the latest traffic, as well as all the changes that I've done to the site. So let's get going. Hello, it's Alex here from WP Eagle. Hope you're all well. So I'm going to start with letting you know what changes I've done to the website since the last update. And well, pretty much the same as usual. I've been adding more content. The total amount of articles on the site is now 65 different pieces of content, which I know is probably not enough. You know, if you look at the income school guys, they say I should have probably had about 1,000 by now, but you know, we're making steady progress. I am adding articles every single week. The other thing that I did last week was I changed the SEO plugin. I changed from Yoast SEO to Rank Math, which I've been hearing lots of good things about. I, of course, documented the change in a video. I'll put a card up now. Do go check it out. And in that video, basically, I show you the entire process of migrating across from Yoast to Rank Math. It is, of course, too early to see what effect that's had on the site. Traffic is still, you know, pretty much the same. But, you know, I'll keep an eye on it. And I will, of course, let you know in the next update whether the change to Rank Math has been a positive thing, or maybe it's been a negative thing, but hopefully it won't have been a negative thing. I'm sure, you know, based on all the good stuff that I've been hearing, that Rank Math is going to have a positive effect on my organic traffic. Speaking of traffic, let's have a look at the Google Analytics. I'll put it up now. Now, keeping in mind the site is around 9 months old now, traffic is looking pretty good, I think. It's continuing to grow. I mean, if we look at the number of users, we're up to 3,324 in November, which is up 20% on October. In terms of sessions, that's up to 4,482 sessions, which is up 26% on October. And if you look at the rest of the metrics, they're all in the green. So, you know, something's working and everything's heading in the right direction. So that's the traffic figures. But I know you guys, all you care about is the money. So let's take a look at the earnings. Let's start with Amazon. I'll put them up on the screen now. So as you can see from Amazon, we have had $187 in commission, which is our best month ever on Amazon, which was a little bit of a surprise because if you remember, I did a video a few months back on how I thought that this site was going to be affected by the seasonality problem and that people, you know, weren't going to be buying many roof boxes in the winter. Well, yeah, people are still buying roof boxes because, you know, I got commission on quite a few roof boxes this month. And yeah, I'm really pleased with the amount of commission that we've got coming in now. I don't think Black Friday has had any effect on this because Black Friday was right at the end of November. And yeah, I did get a few orders on Black Friday, but the commission for those hasn't kicked in. Well, it hasn't kicked in November. If I quickly show you December, just as a sneak peek, we can see that we got off to a great start in December, with $31 in commission so far. And, you know, it's only the 3rd of December, so that's a great start. If we take a quick look at AdSense, you can see the earnings are now up to $19.48, which is about $10 more than last month, where I think it was around $9.22. So yeah, AdSense is growing nicely, although I'm in two minds as to whether to take a few ads off. I think for the money it's generating, I don't think it's actually worth it because I'm not too happy with the look and feel of the site when it's like covered in AdSense ads. So I might just kind of, you know, bring that back in a little bit, take off a few ads, maybe just stick with the side ad because, yeah, I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. And of course, I'll let you know if I make a decision on that. But yeah, I'm just not sure for the amount of ads that we've got on the site and the kind of compromise that you have to suffer when you have ads on your site in terms of speed and, you know, look and feel, whether it's actually worth it for, you know, $20 a month. But, you know, I'm going to think about it and yeah, I'll let you know. So if we add those two figures up, it comes to around $206 for the month in earnings, which is our best month ever on the site. Everything continues to grow. traffic and revenue. So yeah, I'm looking forward to December. Obviously we've got Christmas in December. That's possibly going to have an effect, though. I'm not sure how many people get a roof box for Christmas, but hey, you never know. So that's about it. That brings us to the end of this video. It's kind of short and sweet, this one. I just wanted to keep you guys up to date. Not too much else to talk about. I've just been ticking along with the site, adding content. Did that one change to the SEO plugin, but that's about it. I'd love to know how your sites are getting on. Leave me a comment below. I do read all the comments that I get, and I'll try to reply to as many as I possibly can. To make sure you don't miss out on any of my future update videos, be sure to subscribe by clicking on my face. Yeah, why not check out my vlog channel if you've got a few minutes to spare? Click on my other face up there. I have been uploading to it. Uploaded a video just the other day, so yeah, do check it out. But if you fancy watching something on this channel, there's a couple of videos there. They've been chosen specially for you, so I hope you enjoy them. Until next time, bye for now.